manufacturers. Welcome back to Super Roll Forming, the go-to place for everything innovation and efficiency in the world of machinery. Today we've got something truly exciting for you. We will talk about the realm of best technology with maintenance-friendly roll forming machines by Super Roll Forming. Stick around because this is going to revolutionize the way you think about production. I talked to you before about the details. Let's take a moment to appreciate the sleek design and power-packed performance of the Super Roll Forming machines. With years of expertise, we have truly raised the bar when it comes to roll forming excellence. Now, we all know the headaches that come with maintenance, right? Downtime, high costs, and the frustration of trying to fix a machine that seems to resist every effort. But worry not, because Super Roll Forming has figured out the requirements. Presenting the easy-to-maintain roll forming machines. These machines were engineered with you in mind by Super Roll Forming. No more struggling with hard-to-reach components or challenging steps. Look at these convenient panels that require minimal maintenance. Regardless of your level of experience, you will value the ease of use. But there's still more. In the roll forming industry, time is money, and Super Roll Forming is aware of this. There is a fast changeover feature built into these machines. It has never been easier to switch between profiles, increase output without compromising quality. Super Roll Forming doesn't stop at just making your production life easier today. We have also incorporated future-ready technology. Invest in machines that can change and adapt as your company does to remain forward of the market. So, if you're ready to take your manufacturing game to the next level, it's time to invest in the maintenance-friendly roll forming machines by Super Roll Forming. Click the link in the description to learn more and get in touch with our team. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest innovations in the world of machinery. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating.